Yebo, hayi njalo engazi Tom. Boloza amafikosana. Shintsha somo mavula ovala umzini amadoda. Nomzana amanzi uqingeje. Dubula amadubulani into mzasezweni. Iyona inyanga lelapha ekhaya. Ngoba iqo yakho ongenakho wena. Hayi ngoba afaka sozabe khona. Inkanyamba emhlophe indoda iphinde yaningi. Uma wenze umlomo ongathethi imanga. Ushanda kwandaba umsingankomo ofakaza ngibethi ngamahlahla. Ushanda ongana sentendini esandleni. Naso thini lomkhonto yahlala ngithi cababa. Yebo, yona indoda lehamba kancane. Kunjalo. Hayi mase sifikile sivala ngeheme emzini amanye amadoda. Kunjalo amadoda. Yebo. Tia. Hayi, ngiyezwa. Right. Today I want to talk about all right, yeah. Sengicishe ngayingena ngayigibela ngesiZulu. I forget sometimes, my friends. I forget, ne? Okay, yeah, we've got a broad audience, so yes, we will talk universal languages, right? But again, some messages I'll deliver in isiZulu, right? Pela factory settings, ne? Sharp. Where was I? Yes. So today I want to talk about mistakes. Mistakes people make. Amaphutha abantu abawenzayo. Yabona kunabantu izinto zabo fanele abekade zakhanya. Kodwa ngenxa yokungalaleli, ngenxa yamaphutha abawenzayo, izinto ziyabajikela. All right, let's go to English. So today I'm talking about mistakes. Mistakes that people make. Mistakes that people, would I say endure? No. But they make these mistakes because they fail to listen. People fail to listen. Right? And when you fail to listen and you do things because when you think it's right or that should work out with whatever way, and then you mess up and then your ancestors move backwards. Yeah. So ngesiZulu again. Abantu abadala kuya ngokuthi yabona kubalekile ukuzazi ukuthi umbethwe uhlobo luni labantu. Uhlobo luni labantu elukwembethe. Ngoba wa understanda lokho uzo understand ukuthi kunamaphutha ozothi mawenza bahlehlele emuva. Kunamaphutha ozothi mawenza bakuflathele. Kunamaphutha ozothi mawenza bakushaye. Kunamaphutha ozothi mawenza bakugulise. All right. What I'm basically saying is that you need to understand the type of ancestors you have, because different types of ancestors react differently. Some ancestors, you'll make a mistake, they will move away. Some ancestors, you'll make a mistake, they will turn against you. Some ancestors, you'll make a mistake, they'll run away from you. Some ancestors, you'll make a mistake, they will make you sick. Some ancestors, you'll make a mistake and they will strike. Right? Okay, so let's talk about common mistakes. Right? So I'll just give a few examples. Maybe 3, ne? Okay. Right. First thing, when a person talks about ukulalela nani or listening, right? Many people tend to assume. The biggest mistake people make is to assume. You assume that your ancestors will talk to you through dreams, for example. That is a spiritual language, my friend. There are many spiritual languages. Omunye umuntu enza iphutha futhi acabanga ukuthi bazokumele bakhulume nami ngephupho. Meanwhile, abantu bakini abakho njalo. Other ancestors communicate in different ways. There are visions. There's verbal communication. There's visuals, right? There's dream interpretation, and there's also the anticipation, where You just know. It's Haibo. Then you realize later, Haibo, how did I know that that's gonna happen? They're already talking to you there. Right? Number one. Another mistake people make is that other than assuming, people go and then they think ukuthi just because la ekhaya kuye waba khona umuntu oyisangoma or kuye waba khona umuntu oyinyanga, umfundisi, umprofeti, whatever, imboni, whatever. Yeah. Ugogo wami okanye ubaba wami or uma wami nani kusho ukuthi nami nginjalo. Never forget that in your ancestral in your or rather in your lineage, let's use that word. In your lineage, you are a child. Never forget that, my friend. Alright. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi ungaba mdala mhlambe la emhlabeni. Kodwa ukuthi uzalwa ubani kubalekile ukuthi ukwazi. Ungazalwa unoma wasithi mhlawumbe uzalwa umuntu omdala ngalesi sikhathi. Mhlawumbe ade kukhona ade mdala kunaye awazi. Yabona leyo nto? Or vice versa. Ilineage yakho, yebo umnombo wakho ubalekile. Hayi nani kahle madoda. Umnombo wakho kubalekile ukuthi uwazi. Ngoba iyakutshela lento ukuthi wena uyihlobo lolu lamuntu. Right? Why would I talk about this? Because izinto zinendlela zokwenzeka. Uyingane kini. Ungaba mdala la kodwa kuyithongo lakho uyohlezi uyingane. Ukuthi unobizo noma nesiphiwo okanye uphathisiwe, whatever the case may be, uyohlezi uyingane. Ungakhohlwa lokho. Ingakho abanye bagoqa phansi nani. Abanye bayazithoba nawe. That is why uzithoba mawukhuluma nabantu abadala. Nengane yona yakho mayikhuluma nawe kumele izithobe for that same reason. Yabona lonto? Hayi, bye bye. Sobuye sikhulume. Sharp. Ta.